Hello my darlings, it is I, Velma Celli, and I'm here at King's Cross Station about to board the LNER Together train to take a fabulous group of people to York Pride. Today we are going to Yorkshire!
We have a winner!
We have a winner! Jealous!
What does the pride mean to you? Just an important day to get together, everyone accepting each other, you can be who you are, without any judgment. That's what I just love about it.
Well, there you have it, the loudest and proudest train journey ever! We've arrived in York and we're ready to hit the parade. Love ya!